You've seen these videos: atmospheric, cinematic, aspirational. Soft pink hues, cotton candy palettes, everything perfectly framed to feel like art, without ever really risking anything. They're warm, they're inviting, they're easy to watch, but let's be honest, this is not how art is made. Sure, artwork could be made in these environments, so why do they feel so convincing? Because they're not built for creation, they're built for consumption. Every brushstroke is aware of you. Every pause is time for you. Every shot is composed for your attention. This isn't process, this is performance. It's the same psychology used everywhere else, even by artists like Taylor Swift. Not just selling music, but selling proximity. You're the new bestie. The illusion that you're a part of something intimate, that you're in the room, but you're really not. You're just the audience. This isn't process. This is performance. It's the illusion that you're a part of something intimate, that you're in the room, but you're not. You are simply the audience. And here's where it gets dangerous. These videos don't show you how to paint. They quietly suggest how you should be. They don't say find your voice. They simply say stay within this feeling. I'm giving you coziness, vibes. They don't push you towards experimentation. These videos don't show you how to paint. They quietly suggest how you should be. They don't say find your voice. They say stay within this feeling. They don't push you towards experimentation. They pull you to imitation. Because the system rewards the algorithm. Because the system rewards it. The algorithm wants it. Familiar aesthetics, repeatable styles, predictable outcomes. And the more you watch, the more your instincts start to flatten into something that already works. Everything starts to look the same. So instead of asking, what do I want to say? You start asking what performs. And that's the shift. That's where creativity stalls. Because real art doesn't look like a loop. It doesn't feel comfortable. It doesn't arrive fully color coordinated and emotionally resolved. It is messy. It's uncertain. It contradicts itself. And you have to listen to your own gut instinct of how to read your work. So here's the real question. Why paint with someone when you haven't even figured out what you want to paint alone? You don't need another aesthetic, you don't need another vibe, and you don't need another process. You simply need you. Unfiltered, unsoftened, optimized for engagement. No, fuck that. You need friction. You need mistakes. You need something that doesn't fit to fit into a pastel grid on screen for likes, engagement, and time consumption and attention consumption. Because that's where your voice is. Not in the performance, not in the algorithm, but in the moments where you don't know what the hell you're doing, and you do it anyways, because that's where genius and happy mistakes to find who you are in your artistic practice really begin. So, why be like someone else when everyone is taken? Simply paint you.